Hello, I'm Frank Dilazzaro. Currently, I'm the Senior Vice President of Global Product Development for GID Group, which is a regenerative medicine company. I've been in the healthcare business over 35 years, so I've seen a lot of changes in those years, and we're entering an interesting new phase in medical devices. I started my career with Johnson & Johnson, and then moved on to a company called KCI, built their international business, as well as creating a new market space in the wound care. We launched the negative pressure device, which created a $1 billion plus business opportunity. So I really enjoyed the innovation and introduction of new technologies. And it's been a fun 35 years and looking forward for a few more. I got involved in the healthcare industry because I wanted to make a difference. I've made a career of looking at innovation in products that would change how a patient was going to be managed, or provided a solution to a surgeon to managing a difficult situation. So helping that patient, it isn't about the money. It's good to be paid for what you do, but it's really great to be able to do something that you believe will make a difference and see that difference. I've been involved with new technologies that the testimonials are just uplifting. When we get a story about a father who's able to walk his daughter up the aisle for a wedding because his amputation was avoided. So he was able to keep his limb as opposed to having it cut off. That's just an uplifting feeling. And Safe Harbor is doing much of the same, improving quality of life, doing it cost effectively, and working with all the partners, whether it's the payer, the clinician, and ultimately the patient. Well, Safe Harbor is a truly exciting and unique company. When Dr. Strader asked me to be part of it, I was honored, and interesting, it took him about 3 attempts to make me understand what the business was all about. So it's a complex business, it's different, it's breaking new ground, and that's exciting. And that's exactly the passion I have, is looking at new innovation, exciting, we'll say disruptive technology. Compliance is in the name, compliance is in the blood, is in the culture. And in this regulatory minefield, being compliant is essential. Compliant in how you deal with the physician, with the Sunshine Act that you have to be cognizant of, the regulatory environment, having the right processes in place, and the ability to demonstrate that you can do product recalls, you can train your people, and the people understand the policies and procedure of the company. So it's crucial in doing business in the future. I think personalized medicine is the future. Often patients are given medication that doesn't work, and then it's a trial and error, and you have patient suffering, and just look at the impact financially on the system. So being able to have a diagnostic, a test that'll help the physician tailor the medication for that patient that reduces the side effect and obviously has a therapeutic benefit. That's the wave of the future, and I know the FDA is looking at that very strongly because they want to be able to help monitor new drugs coming on the market and not simply have a new drug that's not going to be effective. Well, I think Safe Harbor and its families of companies is well positioned to be able to address multiple unmet needs in the medical community. Clarity, being able to publish incredibly powerful studies that validate certain treatments and is able to show a benefit. The whole pain management and the ability to reduce opiate use is incredible and very beneficial. And it's also top of mind in the the field of the news right now. So it is a perfect time for Safe Harbor to be participating, and then having the ability to tailor medication for that individual, best manage that patient, which is what we do with our pharmacies. And then when we look at pharmaceutical, being able to help that patient be provided with the right prescription, because unfortunately payers don't always pay, and being able to have the right substitution so that patient will have a prescription, treatment is started, happy patient, happy doctor. We're putting the patient first, improving quality of life, reducing chronic pain, helping the patient get back to an active life, whether it's work or just simply enjoying the outdoors. That's a very fulfilling mission, and I think everybody who works here believes it and wants to make a difference.